boys are here on Red Harbour Hill. We're going to try to catch a fish in this pond. I didn't know it was here, but apparently got good trout on it. Hopefully the wind don't blow us away, and I hope you enjoy this video. Boys got their snacks. You guys ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's go.
But about sparkles, they're very good at like mud sometimes.
Hi, Kaiba, large triple coffee, please. That's it. Needs coffee. Thank you. See.
Nothing in life ever comes free, so I paid my dues. I sang the blues, but it's not how it's gonna be. I'm heading back to the island, head on back to the island, back to the ocean, get my water, feel fancy and free. We're living nice and easy, it might sound a little cheesy, but it's alright for me. And I swear, out there on the ocean, we didn't want to give out. I got silver in my pocket, whiskey, and zero. The more I kiss her, the more I love her. The more
We just arrived at the spot here by Red Harbour Hill. Another truck here. Must be some fish here. I've never fished this spot before. So we're gonna go try it out. Should be fun. Look. That's a really nice trout fight. Look at it. See if I get nothing now. Woohoo! That's a nice trout.
Big one.
It's a big one.
Oh, wow.
Can't ask for no better than that. Careful walking around, all right? I don't know about me, but in the last couple videos it seemed that I'm in a never-ending battle with nature. Like, we're at a beautiful spot. Apparently it's got good trout and I already caught one, but the wind is just whistling down. At least the boys are having fun playing. That's all that matters, being out here in nature. situation over here is too mucky. So it looks like we're gonna have to beat her back down. We'll do a little bit of bushwhacking right down the pond again. Perfect. Well, the fishing was a bust. Caught one nice trout, so there is trout here. That's a promising sign. It's just the wind's ripping through. The boys are starting to get bored due to lack of action. So to make up for it, I'm gonna head to Red Harbour. We're gonna take a little drive around. I'm gonna bring you with us. Hope you enjoy the beautiful scenery. So if you drove down to the Burin Peninsula lately, you realize that they got the bridge, one lane of traffic. They got a stoplight set up here by Red Harbour. It is a big pain in the butt, but that's all you can do. You got to do work. You seem to be doing it pretty good. Well, that's the end of our drive around Red Harbour. A lot of nice scenery. You got to see a lot of good stuff. Myself and the boys are going to call it a day now and head home. You have fun?
Yeah.
Excellent. Every day outdoors is good.
20 minutes later.
We were driving home and I seen another pond on the way home. I have fished in this pond before, so I figured it was worth another flick today. Why not? Car right in the background. Move back. Look, buddy.
Wow.
Look at this.
I got the biggest fish.
Look at that.
I got the biggest fish.
Getting?
Yeah. Beauty.
That's a beauty fish, Roman. Good job, buddy.
Again.
Goofers and goober, he said, yeah. Yeah, what happened to the fish who drove away? You got him.
He ran away. He drove away.
Good catch, buddy. Now we're finished for today. I guess 2 fish a day is better than no fish. Take it as a try.